Hello friends, how are you all? This is the first video on my channel. Today I will show you how to create a shutdown shortcut on your desktop. While this may seem unnecessary because Windows already have a built-in shutdown button here, but in case you want to know, I will show you exactly how to do that. First of all, you will have to create a new shortcut. Click on shortcut and copy this code. I will give it in the description. Then type it here and click on next. Then save it in whatever name you want and click on next. Finish. Then go to properties and click on change icon. OK, and then click this icon and click on OK. Click on apply and then OK. If you now double click it, your computer will shut down instantly. That's how you can create a shutdown button in case you want it. That's all for today. We will see you on another video. Thank you.